Hello, today I would like to show you how you can mount UK police body cam on a 511 tactical jacket in a way that is going to be nicely concealed. This is a standard issue UK body stab-proof vest, and they are using something called a fast click. Most likely you are going to see a Tetra radio in that area. For your body cam there are two fast click attachment in package. This one is the one that I'm going to use. It is a stationary, do not have any adjustment, but it is a really thin, and that's what we want. If you would like to wear your body cam on that location, I recommend you using that one because it have a small adjustment possible. Like you can see, you can make a nice angle, but I don't want on the shoulder. I would like to have it hidden. How to mount and dismount the fast click. If you would like to remove your body cam or any other accessory, you are rotating it 180 degree and you pull upward, and as you can see, it's nicely detached. Here is a pin that go into that latch, so that's how you release it, and it's called a fast click because you are going to click it in place and you are going to hear that it click and release. Click, you can rotate. If that would be a radio, you can angle the antenna outward of your face. But I would like to have it here hidden, so here I've got my unit ID, so I can very quickly turn that flap and show my unit, and there is a location for badge. Here is a badge location, and it's going to make a perfect sense to remove the stitching. Here are stitches, and I'm going to sew it here so I can nicely and quickly mount my camera here. And if I would like to have it hidden, as you can see, it really don't look that bad. It's quite concealed, but if you need it, you can unzip and you can click it in place and have a nice location. I'm going to start with the removing stitches, and this should be a pretty straightforward operation, and it's done. I've got the piece that I wanted. We are ready to stitch it in place. So everything is ready. I put the camera inside and we can quickly deploy it just like that. Just go down and the camera start recording. Of course, we can remove it and store separated. Here's the stitching on both sides. So as you can see, absolutely great. If I will not like the angle, I can mount the attachment that can be adjusted. I've got it here, and if you mount it instead, then you have some degree of manipulation to go higher or lower. You will be able to pivot it, but I believe that angle will be good. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.